Hello dear students, very good morning all of you. Here I am going to start the next topic of chapter 3rd, that is atmospheric pressure. Hello dear, I hope you all are doing well at your home and safe from the environment and this pandemic. Okay dear, so just we are going to start the topic, that is atmospheric pressure. First of all, understand about gas. As we know that gaseous molecules have a large distance, have a large intermolecular space between the molecules. Here, as we know that if we put some gas in a container, the molecules of gas are at a large distance. Okay? There is a large intermolecular space between the molecules of gas. Due to this reason, the gas move here to there fastly. This motion is called a zigzag motion or random motion of molecules of the gas, and they strike and hit to the surface of the container. With a high speed, they strike to the surface of the container and eject some pressure here. Okay, as it is free to move from here to there because there is a large space. That space is called intermolecular space, and due to this gap, the molecules move randomly from here to there. That motion is called zigzag motion, and after having a high speed, they strike to the surface of container and exert some pressure on the container. Okay dear? So gaseous molecules, this gives an idea. Gaseous molecules are always in motion, and with a high speed they strike to the container's surface and apply some force, and force per unit area gives us pressure. It means that gaseous molecules exert some pressure on the container. Okay dear? Now, first of all, understand about atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Let's suppose that this is the earth. This earth is surrounded by a large amount of air around the earth. That is called an atmosphere. The envelope of air surrounding the earth is called an atmosphere. Suppose that this is your earth and this is our earth, and around this earth an amount of gases just and forming an atmosphere. As we move above the earth's surface, the density of air decreases. For example, if you are here, there will be a large amount of gases present over you. If you are moving here from above, you will find there is a decrease in gas molecules. As gaseous molecules have a mass and they are attracted by the gravitational force, so at the surface, near about the surface of Earth, there is a large amount of gases present over, while with the altitude it will decrease, so on. Okay? With the gradual increment of height, with the gradual increment of your altitude, there will be gradual decreasement of air. Density of air above 300 km is very less. It is found that if you move from the Earth's surface 300 km above, you will find there is a very less amount of gases present over there. Thus, height of atmosphere is considered with 300 km. That's why height of atmosphere is considered as a 300 km here. Okay? Since air has a mass, it exerts pressure on the Earth's surface and object. As we know that air has molecules, there are large amount of molecules and atoms made up of air is combined of a form of these molecules, and these molecules have a mass. Okay, that's why it's put some pressure, puts force on the object and the surface around the earth. Okay, The pressure exerted by air is called as atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure means since air exerts pressure because it has mass, that's why the pressure exerted by air is called as atmospheric pressure. Means that whatever be the pressure exerted by what? Air, okay, is called as atmospheric pressure. Okay. The SI unit of atmospheric pressure is Pascal, as the SI unit of pressure is Pascal. The value of atmospheric pressure on the surface of Earth is 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square or 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Dear, it is a general observation that the atmospheric pressure on any object on a particular unit area, it is measured on the lower surface, on the ground, on the plane area, is that 10 to the power 5 Pascal, which is the standard value, approximate value all over the surface of Earth. The instrument used for atmospheric pressure is called barometer, okay, and it is invented by an Italian scientist Torricelli in 1643. Okay, dear. So please remember it. The device was invented by Torricelli and the device name is barometer. Okay, I hope you are able to understand here. Now let us observe some effects of atmospheric pressure in our day-to-day life. For example, dear, if we write through a pen or fountain pen, it is only possible due to atmospheric pressure. Whatever we ink put in the fountain pen is only due to atmospheric pressure we put ink in the fountain pen. Okay, and due to atmospheric pressure we are able to write by using fountain pen. Okay, dear. When we suck or drink with a straw and something you are liquid or something you are sucking through a straw, it is the liquid come to your mouth. It is only because of atmosphere. Okay, dear. When the piston of spring is pulled out, okay, dear, the volume inside the spring increases. This increases only because of atmospheric pressure. Because atmospheric pressure, what? If you pull syringe, okay, the volume increases and the pressure outside from atmosphere just pull the liquid inside the syringe. Okay. Now, the common household device such as atmospheric pressure is rubber suction. Rubber suction, what we use for hanging our clothes by just fixing on a wall. That is a rubber suction. Okay. Or lizard curl or uncurl their toes, thus creating a suction pressure which enables them to walk on the walls. Dear, if you saw a lizard in home, please observe it. It's walking. It's just create a section on the wall, okay, and just be attached to the wall and just able to walk on the wall. It is only due to atmospheric pressure spots. Okay. At a high altitude, the atmospheric pressure is low. Noise bleeding occurs because as we move from above the Earth's surface, at a high altitude there will be decrease in atmospheric pressure. As inside our blood pressure will increase, okay, due to low pressure on us, there will be increasement in our blood pressure and the blood will come out to our nose. For preventing ourselves, we use some special types of suits, that is astronauts wear space suits to prevent themselves from these types of activities. I hope you are able to understand, dear. If you have any problem, please ask during the Google Classroom. I will also send a PDF of it. Please read the book, ask your problem, whatever if you have. Please. Okay, thank you.